What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're upgrading my Tesla Model 3 with this sleek spoiler, technically front splitter from EVBase. I'm gonna make it white, you don't have to, and not only does it look amazing, it is going to also, or it should, improve the aerodynamics. I'm excited to put this on. Also, just a quick heads up, if you buy it and you use teslafpv at checkout, or you check out anything from EVBase, you can get 20% off any product. So now that you know that, now that you've seen this, they also have a few other styles. They'll be in the description.
This is the EVBase website, and you can see that they have a ton of different things. I just looked up the splitter for the Model 3. They have a bunch of different options, guys. Tons of different looks that you can get. Tons of different spoilers, splitters for the front. I got the splitter, so this one is the one we're looking at currently. It's for Model Ys or Model 3s. You can see the difference. They show you a lot of different kind of pictures, so you can really get a good idea. They have matte black, they have gloss black, they have a matte carbon fiber texture and a glossy carbon fiber texture as well. They have a bunch of like specs about it, so you can really get a feel of what you're getting. And if you don't like it, you can always pick out something else. They have a ton of stuff.
I love this super clean, glossy black finish. It's gonna give the front end a whole different look, more aggressive, more sporty, and it's gonna add some functionality with the enhanced airflow for downforce. I think that's how that works, but either way, this is gonna look cool.
As you can see, we've mounted part of it. Now we just gotta do the other side, and I have it here with me.
So you're gonna take these silver metal screws that come with the kit. They go from bottom up. So just take a Phillips head screwdriver, screw them in. You're gonna wanna compress the splitter together because you're kind of just threading into plastic to hold it in place. Just be aware of that and just screw it in. Holds together pretty well. I would recommend hand tightening it. And then you have one huge splitter.
With the screws all in, I just lightly threaded them in. You can see them kind of barely, just legit barely poking out on the other side. You see that nub right there? Because we're gonna get ready to put this on the car. You can see that there's a bunch of them. We use the washers, we use the screws. I didn't use all of them, like there's a ton still left over, but they are all up in here. So we're so ready. Just fill in all the holes where they need to go, and then also put the adhesive that comes with this on. So I put it along here like this, put a strip here, just double stripped it here, and then along here. And that's pretty much it, guys. We're so ready to put this on the car.
Now the absolute first thing you're gonna wanna do is clean this off. So I'm using a microfiber towel as well as some isopropyl alcohol mixed with a little bit of water, and you're just gonna go ahead and wipe down your whole underneath bumper and underneath that black skid plate area. You gotta wipe it down because you wanna make sure the adhesive has something to stick to, which is not dirt. You want it to stick to your car, and you don't want a layer of dust in between the splitter and your car. All that's really left to do is remove the red lining on the tape. That way you get the sticky side. I would definitely recommend someone help you put this on. So grab a friend, remember, move all the red stickiness and just go ahead and try to line it up as best you can. Once you are able to line it up, again, I strongly recommend you have a friend with you, someone, anyone to help you out, to help you hold one side while you align the other side, and then just start drilling on the side that they're holding up. Only do a few screws and then try to position the other side into place. Drill that side, then go back and forth, and then just take your time, drill it in. You're gonna not regret taking your time. Trust me, you're gonna regret if you rush it. So I think you should just take your time, do it slow, and just have patience. Put all the bolts in. Remember, the kit came with extra screws, so if you don't feel comfortable, you can use the extra screws to hold it to the bottom of your car.
I love the white so much. You can see how dark it is, and it truly stands out. I'm gonna just hit it with the flashlight real quick, cause that looks pretty good. It's got like a whole table you can eat off right there. I'm straight loving it. I can't wait till I finish off the body kit, but we'll get to that later. Let me know what you guys think. I think it looks a little bit better in person. On the camera, it looks a little bit boxy, but I definitely am feeling some in-person vibes with this. So thank you guys so much for watching. I know it's so dark right now, but if you want to pick up one of these for yourself or pick up some other cool stuff from EVBase, remember that discount code will be in the description below, and you can check it out. You can check their stuff out. I'll let you go ahead and do that. Thanks for watching. Later, y'all.